safely.
Oh. Do we need to know some sort of a password or something?
No. The generator is out of gas. If you get over to the other side and fill it up, we can...
Through this
cover
part.
it. That's what we can offer.
I guess we'll take it. Yeah.
Reloading. Is that a survivor? Reloading. Reloading! Through this door. One of those little jockey bastards is around. Reloading! Weapons over here. Guns in the store.
Hey, look out!
Up these stairs.
Oh, this stuff sucks! Somebody's gonna need these.
Through here.
Hey, I'm reloading. Reloading!
Charger around. Get ready, we got a tank! Done like dinner. Back this way. Don't shoot that car. Across the walkway. Into the apartments. Nice!
Let's search these rooms.
Reloading!
Laser sights here.
Shit. Should have taught this class. Reloading!
Through this park.
Reloading.
Ellis, go give the bride a kiss. It'll be good luck. Trust me.
Would you guys shut up?
I'm a reload.
Which?
Not again.
Reload here.
Thank you.
Grenade launcher here.
Reloading.
Behind this bus.
Reloading.
Safe house is in the building.
Don't make me come out there for you. Awesome.
For a man like me.
Alice.
Reloading.
Man, that reminds me of this.
Up the stairs. I wasn't thinking.
Listen, if you let your guard down 1 minute, you all pay the price. That there sounds like a witch.
Everybody lights off.
I'm a reload.
I've never done a color tattoo. Nice shot. Boomer.
Hey, we can get in through the window.
There's a pipe bomb here.
Reloading.
Reloading. Reloading.
I hear a hunter.
Witch is getting
Reloading.
Run! Witch coming through!
I'm down. Reloading. All right, don't worry. I can get you back up.
I'm reloading.
Hey, I'm reloading.
All right.
Reloading.
I hear Spinner.
Better! Down these stairs.
You're shit. You are so shit you don't realise what you do.
Let's try upstairs.
Reloading.
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 Fucking donut.
Check them Reloading! Get that zombie!
This will take us under the river. Ninja sword here.
Reloading!
Get that zombie. He's got something.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Reloading.
Only in the South would this pass for a
Look
museum.
here. This here first aid is mine.
$5 well spent.
Phase 1 is over.
Let's get off these stairs. Let's do this together.
Let's keep moving. Unless Nick wants to stop.
Throwing a pipe bomb. Hit him! We got two. Hey, give me a hand.
That was mine.
Oh man, I found a
man,
candy
We're all in
bar.
this together, Nick.
God damn it,
Also on.
I gotta heal. Better.
Reload.
Reloading.
Out of the water.
Go center.
First aid. I need this. I hit it. This was going to be their goddamn tour? Nice shot. Keep moving. Gotta get up on the catwalks. opened it.
I gotta take that care of myself.
Here, Spitter.
Reloading. Healing. All right, now I'm back. Up the ladder. Boomer bile here. Stew incoming. Oh, I got hit by burning goose shit. You guys aren't so damn bad.
Hey, girl, why don't you heal up?
Hey, you made it.
Damn right. We're getting good at killing these things.
Where you guys heading?
New Orleans. Want to come with us?
Nah, better not. Look, we've had enough with the military.
So how we gonna get this bridge down?
Take that elevator down, fill up the generator, and we'll take care of the rest.
Let's get these cans fast. Why doesn't anything have enough gas in it?
Reloading. Check this out.
Reloading!
Got it.
Reloading!
I'm filling the generator.
Reloading!
Get ready.
Hey, look out!
Jackie!
I got a can.
Reloading! You looking for this?
I got it. Another one in. I got a can. Pouring it in. Look out!
Reloading. Almost out of here. We still need 5 more.
Here you go. Reloading here. Good luck.
I got it. Watch out! Charger! Guns here. Got it. Look out now! Gotta reload! I got it! Reloading!
Watch out!
I got a can. Jockey!
Jockey!
Heads up! Charger! You shit! Reloading. Got it. I'm a reload.
Reloading.
I got a can. Got it. Boomer file here. Incoming. Get ready, we got it back. Fight amongst yourselves. Kill this jockey on me!
You can have this!
I got it. Almost out of here.
You can have this!
You gotta quit moving so I can heal you.
Take this! Now be safe!
Better. Just 3 more. I got it. Pouring it in. Just 2 more. I'm filling the generator. 1 more can to go.
Impressive.
Grabbing a pipe bomb. We got goo! I got a can. Reloading.
Reloading.
Got it. Hey, I'm reloading.
It's about to get serious.
Ammo here. Got it. forget this.
Get to your car! We got him!
Throw bridges down, to the car! Thanks, you three!
The car!
I ever tell you about the time my buddy Ellis stole a race car from the mall and drove it over some zombies?
No.